Hello everybody, what's up? It's Lauren and today I'm going to be doing a video for you guys. I'm going to be doing my college essentials must-haves, and I've done a lot of videos that are similar to this one, usually during like back to school season in the summer, but I thought for the new semester and stuff I would do another one of just things that I think are so important for college. So if you guys are new to my channel, my name's Lauren and I graduated back in December, and I've done so many of these videos in the past, and I feel like I wanted to take all the videos that I've done and kind of combined my top 10 favorites plus a bonus, so there's technically 11, but just like my top 10 must-haves for school. So these are things that I need for college, I use almost every single day, or things that are super essential. And if you guys want to leave a college essential that you think that I did mention that you think is really important, please do so, because like I said, I love comments, I love responding to comments, like things like that. I'm also going to have all of these linked down below of my exact favorites, so if you guys want to check those out, they will be all linked down below. But yeah, so why don't we jump right on into the video. So the first thing that is like my top essential that I think so important is a water bottle. So I think water bottles are so important. This is just like reusable water bottles. This one is from Target. My friend got it for me. It was like, I think probably around $10. It's really cheap and it keeps my drinks nice and cool, which I like. So when you're in college, there's a lot of, at least at my college, there's a lot of like refillable water stations, which is super helpful because it helps me drink more water just knowing I have access to it. So I fill this up and I always brought it around with me everywhere I went. You're just gonna be out and about all day, and if you're going from class to class, you might not have time to, you know, go back to your dorm, so it's really good just to have a refillable water bottle. My second essential that I am obsessed with, and I actually did a video with them like 3 or 4 years ago, and if you guys don't know what Scentbird is, it's a perfume subscription service. So it's $14.95 a month and you get a new perfume every single month in these refillable perfume canisters, I call them, little cases. And now that I actually I commute into New York City, so I am literally have like 15-hour days, and sometimes I want to refresh, and I love these things, especially for commuting, for college, anything like that. They're just so convenient, so cute, and really easy for traveling, which I'm obsessed with. So if you guys travel a lot as well. Perfumes are also really expensive, which is another thing. So these are really great because you can just get them for like under $15 a month and you get a new one. I know I get sick of scents really easily, and I like to just have a new scent all the time. On their website, they have over 450 different types of scents. So I got 3 different ones. So these are really cool. You just twist the case up, and as you guys can see, the little sprayer comes out, and you can take the little canister out and it shows you what scent you have. So this is Glossier You, one of the scents that I've been wanting to try for so long. The next one that I wanted to try out was Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. This one is a very classic scent that I haven't tried yet. And then this one is another fun one. This one is Burberry Brit Splash. So this one smells really good. It's like a classic perfume scent. Of course, I'm gonna give you guys a discount code, so 30% off your first month. It'll be 10 bucks to get yourself a perfume. Definitely try it out. Honestly, it's so great when you just want to smell good. You can put these in a going out bag, backpack, whatever you want. Number 3 is sweatshirts. Okay, so I've been obsessed with Sherpa lately, so I wore a Sherpa today. This one is from Zolful. So anything comfy, any sweatshirts, I recommend. I always had like these type of like crew neck sweatshirts with me everywhere I went. This one just says Vermont on it. I just love crew necks, so they're my favorite thing. I wear these all the time with leggings and I love them. So I just think crew necks are a huge college essential. And yeah, and now Sherpas for me because they're so comfy. Number 4 is Venmo. So this isn't like an actual physical item, this is an app, and I think I've mentioned Venmo before, but Venmo honestly has saved my life. So I didn't have my Venmo connected to my bank for like 2 months just because I was lazy, and I got a new bank account and stuff, and I just never linked it. And the amount of times I was inconvenienced because I didn't have Venmo was ridiculous. So if you guys don't know what Venmo is, it's a pretty popular app. It's pretty much, you link it to your bank account and you can transfer money to people and people can transfer money to you. So it's really helpful. So if you guys like go out to dinner or you like grab coffee and someone pays for it, you can just pay for them, vice versa. It's extremely helpful, especially in college. Number 5 is a backpack with a laptop sleeve. I've done a what's in my backpack video just a couple months ago, like a month ago, and I used this backpack my whole entire college career. So this is just a North Face Jester backpack. It's super simple. I recommend one with a laptop sleeve. So this one has a little laptop sleeve back here and it has multiple pockets. Guys, this backpack was so great. It never broke on me. It never ripped on me. It was a really awesome backpack and it wasn't too big or too small. The Jester is a great size. So I really liked backpacks. I thought handbags or purses were just really inconvenient for college. Number 6 is sneakers. So this kind of goes along with my sweatshirt thing. I just think sneakers and leggings and a sweatshirt, just a basic outfit, bring a lot of those. That's what you're gonna be wearing. So if you guys didn't see my what I got for Christmas video, I did get these new sneaks for Christmas. They're just Nikes. I wore these, or I would wear these all the time. I didn't have these while I was in school, but I had an old pair of Nikes, wore them all of the time. They were just like my to-go sneaker. They're just comfortable. Any type of sneakers you guys want to get are just super comfortable. Again, you're walking around campus. You're gonna be out and about all the time. Next is slippers. So I know I have a lot of clothing essentials in here, but honestly, these are just things that I used all the time. So my dorm floors were so cold in college. I just had like tile floors and they were so extremely cold. These are slippers. I got these in my what I got for Christmas video as well. They're ridiculous, but they're so comfortable, so soft, and these were from Forever 21. So I'll try to link them if I could find them. But any type of slippers you can find, just 100% recommend, because again, the floors are extremely cold and you're going to want something extremely comfortable. Next recommendation is headphones. You're just going to be wearing headphones a lot. Again, when like walking to class, like being in class, anything, I always use headphones and a speaker. I'm kind of combining these into one. I use my speaker a lot when I was at home, especially like before going out, or if I was just like with my friends and we're hanging in our dorm, we always use our speaker. And then just for like being out and about, walking in class, stuff like that, for the gym, I used headphones all the time. Next recommendation is Christmas lights. So you guys can't really see behind me, but just like basic fairy lights, twinkle lights, Christmas lights for your dorm or for your house that you're living in. I just think Christmas lights make everything so much more comfortable. If you guys are looking for something to decorate your dorm, definitely get some. They just like, when you turn off all the lights at night and just have your Christmas lights on, it just like is really calming and relaxing after a long day. And I just think it was my favorite like thing I brought for my room to decorate with. So I highly recommend, and I think they're super great for college. Right, so my last one before my little bonus is a collapsible folding rack. So I can't find mine currently, but I'll link it down below. You guys have probably seen these. They're literally little folding racks you can buy and they collapse and you can stand them up. They are amazing. You're gonna be obviously doing laundry and there's like nowhere to dry your clothes, especially when you're like air drying certain clothes that you don't want to put in the wash. I kept them out for like a day, and then when I was done with my folding rack, I would just collapse it back up, put it in the corner. It was honestly one of my most used items, so I highly recommend that. I used it all the time. I got mine, I think, from Target, and it was super inexpensive. All right, so I had to do a last little bonus tip because I couldn't condense this to 10. It had to be 11. So my little bonus one is rain gear. I've said this in so many videos. No matter where you go to school, it's gonna rain. I know even if you live out like where it doesn't rain as much, there's gonna be a day where it rains, and you're gonna be caught in a rainstorm and be like, wow, I wish I brought rain gear, because freshman year, I didn't have a rain jacket, rain boots, and all I had was an umbrella. I just got this rain jacket from North Face because, again, I really like North Face. This is just a basic black rain jacket. A good steady umbrella that won't flip up in the wind, and then rain boots or some type of waterproof boot. I know Hunter rain boots are super popular. I personally, guys, don't love my Hunter boots. I don't know if you feel the same. They're so heavy and I can't drive in them. I literally will crash my car if I drive in Hunter boots because they're just way too heavy. Alright guys, that was the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any other recommendations for college essentials that I didn't mention, leave those down below, and I will have everything I mentioned linked down below for you guys if you're interested. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.